Hello everyone, today we are gonna explore OpenAI and it's a nice and amazing tool, Sora. So we're gonna explore this Sora today. Okay, you can see. Okay, we're gonna visit the whole side up. You are gonna explore this by Sora.com, and you're gonna see the landing page, and I'm already logged in, so that is sure. If you are not logged in, then it will show the login option. If you are logged in, then it will show this option. As you can see, lots of video that's created by OpenAI. You can see the prompt here. Hyper realistic zoom in on dragon's eye. You're gonna see the prompt storybook. Here you can see the storybook like a video editing frame. You can change or edit or delete it, or you can add another storybook there, and you can write the description and can create. I cancel it. Discuss edit. Okay. Now I'm gonna create. First of all, you can see your recent creation or recent update in the Sora AI. You can see the feature. You can see the shape. Don't save yet, but if you want to save, like I want to save this natural image, then it will show in the shape. Okay, then all videos. You want to create videos or visit explore for inspirations, favorite. You can upload your videos. You can create a folder if you want, a little folder. I want to create a folder for YouTube. Now I want to create a video, so I want to provide a prompt. Here you can see preset, aspect ratio, and here you can see the resolutions. If I want to create 180p, then it will be 8x slower, and 720p, then it will be 4x slower, and 480p it will be fastest. So, and here you see the durations: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and here you can see variations 1, 2, 4. This so to this creating will use 50 current setting. Okay, generate. Fail to generate a storyboard. Create video. You don't have an active subscription, please buy a plan to generate videos. So it's not for free. If you are purchase their plan, then you will create the video. That's all for today.